In this video, I want to show you how to connect your Logitech MX Anywhere 3S with multiple devices, up to 3 different devices. So let's get started. First thing is, well, take your mouse, flip it the other side and make sure it's turned on. These are the 3 devices that you can connect the mouse to. Everyone will have its own slot number 1, 2 and 3. And to switch between them, you simply have to tap this button and you see the light switches from one and another. To configure a device in one of these slots, you simply have to make sure the light is lighting up the correct one. So let's say I want to configure one in number 1. Make sure the number 1 is lit up. And then press the button until it flashes quickly. This means that the number 1 is in setup mode. So set your mouse aside and connect it to the first device. Let's say I want to connect it to this iPad, but this could be a Mac, a PC, anything really. An Android tablet as well. Go into the Bluetooth settings of your first device and you should see MX Anywhere. Tap on it, pair, and it's now connected. And just to show you that I'm not lying, here we go. I can use it with my iPad. Now to connect it to a second device or even a third one, simply tap the button to switch to number 2. Keep the button pressed to put number 2 in setup mode. And now let me do the same thing with this Mac. So I will go into the Bluetooth settings by clicking on the top over here, Bluetooth settings. And over here, nearby devices, press connect where you see MX Anywhere. All right, it has been connected. And you can do this with a third option, a third device, as I said. And now, as you see, it's working on my Mac. If I want to switch to the iPad, I'll simply press this button, so 1 is highlighted. And I don't know if you see, but the cursor is on my iPad. And pressing again, number 2, it's now working on my Mac. So it's very easy to switch between multiple devices. This is it. If this tutorial was helpful, take a moment and comment down below. This is a great way to support my channel as long as liking the video and subscribing. See you in the next video.